Today we will learn how to use MyTutorPod tools. After you log in and join the class, this board will open for your usage. Click on the green icon here and your board will open. Once your board is open, you need to go to this icon and click here, and there would be a microphone setting. You need to allow microphone so that you can hear and talk clearly. And then in this board there are many icons here. You need to use them according to your needs. First you click on this, and this is more of using webcam. For example, if you have homework, you can bring it near the webcam and you can take snapshot from this, and then you can upload that snapshot so that teacher or student could see that. And the next icon is sharing screen, to share screen. So if you want to share screen with your teacher or with your students, so you can do that accordingly, and you can stop sharing from the same. And there's another icon that is to load files. So whatever, if you have loaded things added in up, and that you can also load that and use them for your session. And the next icon is undo icon, that whatever you have done on this page, if you want to undo that, you can click on it. The next one is redo, to do the things which you have already done, the previous steps you can redo. And the next icon is clearing the page. So it means that it will erase everything on this page, or if you click on that, it has two options. One is current page and the other one is all pages. So when you are using this page, you can see that at the bottom there are page options. So you can use that for clearing up. For example, if you are using this page and you want to clear it, you will just click once and everything written on this page would be clear. Okay, so there would be nothing left on it. And you can do the same procedure for all the pages. For example, if you have more than one pages, so you can clear them all. Okay, so this is for clearing the whole page and multiple pages. But the next icon is for erasing selective things. For example, if you are writing on the board and you want to erase certain things or certain figure on that, you can just click on that eraser and erase only that thing which you want to. So it's more of doing selective erasing, or erasing selective things on the board. And after that there is a icon which we call pointer, and this tool is for you to use it for reference. For example, if you want to refer something, you can say okay, you can do that, you can go to this. So if you will use your pen to point that, it will also draw a line on the things, but if you will use pointer there would be no line on it, so you can use the pointer in that way. And the next icon is a tool which we call pen. So this tool is for writing, so you can use it for writing. And when you click on this tool, there are two more options open with that. First option is for the size of the pen, for example the thickness of the pen. If you want to write this smaller or thin lines, and then if you want to write the thick lines, you can use this option for that. And if you want to write something in a different color, for example one step you want to write in purple, and then next step you want to write in blue or red, so you can just use that option. So in this way you can write different steps with the different colors. So color options are available for your usage. So there's another option beside that tool. This one is keyboard. If you want to type text, for example if you want to use your keyboard and want to type something, you want to write something in this, you can just click on it and start writing in it. So you can also change the color of that if you want to. Okay, so you can also select that, and you can also delete that note if you want to. So this keyboard option is there for you to do the typing. So the next tool which we have is especially for shapes, for drawing or for geometrical shapes, and for especially if you are teaching geometry, or if you are using different shapes to explain the angles, triangles or whatever, so you can use this option. So there are already pre-designed shapes over there, so you can just bring them and draw them according to the desired size you want to have it. There's a hexagonal shape to explain that, and then there is also straight line. If you want to draw a straight line, you can do that. And there is also option here to draw a dotted line. If you want to tell something from this edge to this edge and you want to draw a dotted line, so you can also do that. And if you want to use an arrow to point something or to show the direction, you can use this feature of this tool. So these were the few features available for the teachers and students. And the next one is a tool which we call multiple tools. So it has highlighter. If you want to highlight something, so you can select the highlighter size by clicking on the same way you selected the pen size. You can do that same thing with the highlighter. You can choose the size of the highlighter. If it's a thin thing, thin writing, you can underline, or you can use that size. If you want to use the thicker size of that highlighter, you can use that. And you can also change the color of that highlighter and select the things, or you can also highlight the things from that. The next one is pointer. You can go to somewhere and point something, so that is a pointer tool. The next one is also very convenient for you, that we have a scientific calculator as well as we have normal calculator. So if you need a scientific or calculator, it depends upon your needs, so you can use it accordingly. So it's there for your usage, and you don't need to go anywhere else to find that. It would be there for your usage. And then there's another tool which is for geometry, and that is called protractor. So protractor is normally used for measuring the angles. So you can select that tool, and it will help you to measure the angle. So you can put there and you can measure the angle, whatever angle you want to do that. So this one is also a very useful tool. And then you can also go to YouTube and upload video, or you want to see or refer something, you can use this tool. There is another tool, this is called grid tool. So this one is to draw the graphs, or if you want to draw this grid line to draw some picture, you can also use this option to draw that. And then there is a sharing screen option, so you can share your screen, and then you can also click again on grid, and then grid will be removed, and you can share your screen with this option. And then we have equation editor, and we have also breakout. So these are few tools available on MyTutorPod for your convenience, so you can use them according to your need. And then there is another thing which we call upload. If you want to upload some sheets, for example, if you want to upload literal equation sheet, you can go to that page and it would be uploaded for you, so you can start teaching from that. And whatever session you have, you can save that session for yourself and for your students for later use. So you can click on this icon and you can save it for yourself. And if you want to have multiple pages, or if you want to switch from one page to another, there is an option on the left side, at the bottom left. You can go there and click on it, and you can add more pages, or you can go from one page to another page. And this is also an option that you can use it for whatever you want to do that. And then there is another option on MyTutorPod that is called for zoom in and zoom out. If you want to zoom in or if you want to zoom out, you can do accordingly. If you want to select your sheet and change the position of that sheet, you can also do that. For example, this is for you to change the position or select the position of your sheet, so you can do according to your need. We need to get rid of that protector. You need to click that on, and then it will go away. And then we have this icon. This is for locking the screen. If you want, you lock the screen, it will not move. So if that would be there, you can easily work on it, whatever is there on your screen. So these were some simple tools available on MyTutorPod for your convenience. You can use them according to your need. So after you finishing your session, you can just log out from here by clicking on this icon, and then you can end your session, and you need to click here to completely log out from your session. Okay, you can do that, and that's